Morning to you all. Today we will discuss about the truth of sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1 by unit circle. So what is unit circle? First let us know. Unit circle is nothing but, suppose this is a circle whose radius is 1. Radius is 1 unit. Okay, this is called what? Unit circle. Unit circle. This circle is called what? Radius may be 1 centimeter, 1 kilometer, 1 meter, 1 decameter, whatever. Or while you draw a circle in a graph, you may choose 5 small square as 1 unit. That 1 unit as you have chosen, so that circle will be known as what? Unit circle. Now let us prove this sin square theta plus cos square theta by equal to 1 by the concept of unit circle. Okay. So for that case, we have to draw a unit circle. Okay. So here, suppose this is a unit circle. Radius is suppose O is the center, OA is radius of the circle, then this is y-axis, this horizontal line x-axis, you know it. Radius is what? 1. Clear? Now let us choose a point P on the circumference P, whose coordinate is x comma y. Whose coordinate is x comma y. Now as it is a unit circle, so by the coordinate system we will get the coordinate of A is 1, 0. It is clear to us. Now if we mark it is B, its coordinate will be what? 0, 1, because this is the radius. This radius is what? 1. And this is C. What will be the coordinate? This coordinate will be minus 1, 0 obviously. And if it is considered as D, it will be what? 0, minus 1, because radius is 1 unit. Let us join OP. If we join OP, what will be the radius? Radius equal to 1. Clear? Now as P x y is the coordinate, so if we draw a perpendicular line, suppose PM is the perpendicular, then obviously this is x and this is what? Y. X is OM, Y is PM. Let us consider this is what? Angle AOP is theta radian, or you may say degree. Okay. So suppose angle AOP equal to theta, radius equal to 1 unit, then OM equal to x, and what? PM equal to y by the coordinate system. Now in this triangle, right triangle, if I choose sin theta is what? Perpendicular by hypotenuse. What is perpendicular here? PM. What is hypotenuse here? OP. So this equal to, what is PM is considered? Y. And what is OP is considered? OP is nothing but radius R. And what is the value of R? R equal to 1. Y by 1 equal to Y. So by unit circle, this sin theta is nothing but the side opposite to the considered angle. Means perpendicular length is considered as a sin theta in case of unit circle. This is sin theta. Okay, because hypotenuse length is 1. So this by y by 1 means y. Then cos theta equal to what? Base by hypotenuse, you know, OM by OB equal to what? OM is what? It is marked by x, and OP is nothing but radius R. x by 1 equal to x. So what is cos theta? Cos theta is the adjacent side of the considered angle. No. So what we get? Sin theta is opposite side of the angle and cos theta is adjacent side of the angle apart from the hypotenuse of the right triangle. Now, if this is a right angle triangle, we can apply Pythagoras theorem. So triangle OMP is right angle triangle, angle OMP equal to what? 90 degree. So by Pythagoras theorem, what we get from this triangle? X square plus y square equal to what? R square. What is x? X is nothing but cos. So cos square theta. What is y? Y is nothing but sin theta. So it is sin square theta. What is r? Radius is, because it is unit circle, radius is 1. So it is nothing but 1 square is 1. So this completes the proof of cos square theta plus sin square theta equal to 1 by the concept of unit circle. I hope all of you have understood. Next topic is quadrantal angle. So quadrantal angle means what? The angles which are integral multiple of pi by 2 or 90 degree are known as quadrantal angle. Means what? Why we have drawn x-axis and y-axis? 4 quadrants are formed. This is first quadrant, this is second quadrant, this is third quadrant, and this is fourth quadrant. Clear? Now see, the angle may be what? OX. If OX does not rotate, that means OX will make angle 0 with OX. So 0 is a multiple of what? 90. So this is also quadrantal angle. Now 90 degree, here to here it goes. Here it is 90 degree. 1 into 90 degree. So it is quadrantal angle. Now here it is what? Pi means 180 degree. 180 degree means what? 2 into 90. It is what? Here the angle form is what? 90. Angle form is 180 means pi. Then it is what? 3 pi by 2, or we can say 270 degree. Clearly 3 pi by 2 or 270 degree. And here it comes 360 degree or twice pi. Okay, so these on the axis particularly, the angles formed are multiples of pi by 2 or 90 degree. So these angles are known as what? Quadrantal angle. Clear? Now related to this, what is the value of sine 90, cos 90, and then tan 90, cot 90? Already we have got in class 10 general maths. Those who have got in advanced maths in class 10, they know the fact of this. But those who have not come across the subject advanced maths, for them it will be difficult to understand. So let me clarify this. First, the values of the trigonometric ratios of the quadrantal angles. Okay. So already I have prepared a chart. In class 10 you got all the angles are acute angles. That means 0 to 90. Now we are going to find out the values of sine, cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec for the quadrantal angle. Already I told that quadrantal angle means what? The angles which coincide with the axis, x-axis or y-axis. Here see, let us consider for 0 angle. Now suppose here is the point P. Now when theta will become 0, this is a initial line OA. If it rotates either in anti-clockwise or in clockwise, then angle will form. Already I discussed how an angle is formed. It is nothing but rotation. Now if the ray OA does not rotate, means it remains same. So what angle is formed with the same line? So OX will form zero angle with OX, means what? This OP, this rotation of the line stops. If the point P comes to the point A, then theta will become what? 0. Now sin theta is what? Formula is what? Already in the previous topic. From this unit circle, from this triangle, sin theta is what? Here see, if P comes here, so coordinate of P become what? X comma y, means what? Value of x is 1, value of y is what? 0. So OA and OP will be same. So coordinate of x will be what? 1, y will be 0. So what is the value of sin theta? Y by r. R means radius, means 1. So y by 1. What is the value of y here? Y is what? 0. So 0 by 1 means what? 0. So sin 0 is what? 0. Now sin pi by 2. Now let us find out all the zeros. Cos theta means if 0 is there, cos is what? X by r, means x by 1. What is x? Value of x is what? 1. So 1 by 1 means 1. So cos 0 is what? 1. Now tan theta is what? Y by x. What is the value of y here? Here when P coincides A, value of y becomes 0, x is 1. So 0 by 1 means 0. What will be caught? It will be what? 1 by 0. Anything by 0 is what? Undefined, we say. It is not defined, and we use this symbol for undefined. Sec theta r by x, it is the reciprocal of cos, as it is known to us. So reciprocal of what? 1 is what? 1. Again cosec theta is reciprocal of what? Sin theta, reciprocal of, it will become what? 1 by 0. Again 1 by 0 is what? Undefined. So this is what? Undefined. So cosec 0 is undefined, cot 0 is undefined. Clear? Now what about pi by 2? Means this position P comes to B, means Px comma y now. Clear? Now if it is pi by 2 or 90 degree, when the angle is 90 degree here, that means angle BOA. Clear? Now value of x is what? 0, value of y is 1. So here sin theta is what? Y by 1. What is y here? 1. So 1 by 1 means 1. What is cos x by 1? So 0 by 1 equal to 0. X value is what? 0 here. Value of x is 0, 0 by 1 is. Then tan. Tan is what? Y by x. Tan is what? Sin theta by cos theta, means 1 by 0. 1 by 0 means undefined. What is cot? It is what? Reciprocal of tan. Or we can say x by y. What is x here? Value of x is what? 0, 0 by 1. 0 by 1 means 0. Again, sec is what? 1 by x. So 1 by, what is the value of x here? 0. 1 by 0 is what? Undefined. Cosec is what? R 1 by y. 1 by y. Value of y is what? 1. So 1 by 1 equal to 1. Clear? Now what will happen? If the angle is pi, means this half circle, semicircle, here, from here rotation is what? Here to here. Then P will coincide with the point C. Okay? Then value of x is what? -1 and y is 0. So here you see sin theta y by what? 1. What is the value of y? Y is 0. So 0 by 1 equal to 0. In case of cos, it is x by 1. So what is the value of x? X is what? Minus 1. So minus 1 by 1 equal to minus 1. So cos pi is what? Minus 1. Tan pi. Tan is what? Y by x. What is y? Y is 0. 0 by minus 1. 0 by minus 1. So this equal to what? Infinity. So we say minus infinity because keep minus sign there. Then tan cot theta is what? X by y. X by y means, 0 by minus 1 is what? 0. Sorry. Cot theta is what? X by y. X by y means minus 1 by 0. This is minus 1 by 0. So this equal to minus infinity. Sec is what? 1 by x. 1 by, what is x? X is minus 1. Answer is what? Minus 1. Cosec is what? 1 by y. 1 by, what is the value of y here? 0 is infinity. Clear? Now 3 pi by 2. While this rotating ray meets this angle, means angle AOD. This rotation 3 pi by 2. This P will become what? X comma y now. Clear? Value of x is what? 0. Y is minus 1. So 3 into pi by 2. Sin theta is what? Y by 1. What is the value of y? Minus 1. So minus 1 by 1, it is minus 1. In case of cos, it is x by 1. What is the value of x? 0. 0 by 1 equal to 0. In case of tan, it is y by x. Y is minus 1, x is 0. Minus 1 by 0. Minus infinity. Value of cot is x by y. X is 0. By minus 1, 0. Sec is 1 by x. X is what? 0. It is plus infinity. Cosec is 1 by y. 1 by, value of y is minus 1. So it is minus 1. Clear? Now twice pi means while the angle comes a complete rotation here, whole the circle, then P x y again matches with what? 1 comma 0. X equal to 1. So in case of this is what? 0. Y by 1, y is 0. Then x by 1, x is what? 1. 1 by 1 equal to 1. Then y by x, 0 by means 0. Cot is x by y, it is infinity. Sec is 1 by x, 1 by 1, it is 1. And cosec is 1 by y, 1 by y, y is 0, it is infinity. Okay, I hope all of you have understood how to find the values of the quadrantal angle of the trigonometric functions. Okay. Here see, from this chart, let us try to develop a general way of the formula of sin theta equal to 0. Implies theta equal to what? So in your earlier class 10, that means sin theta equal to 0, you wrote theta equal to 0 because sin 0 degree is equal to what? 0. Now what happens, you see, sin theta equal to 0, answer you see, here is 0, here also 0, here also 0. What are the values of theta? 0, pi, 2 pi. Okay, then means what? 0, then pi, 2 pi, again 3 pi, 4 pi, 5 pi, 6 pi, like this. That means on x-axis, if the angle reaches to x-axis, then the value of sin theta will be 0. Remember this point. Okay. Rotation comes to x-axis. That means initial ray, x-axis, terminating ray, or terminal ray is also x-axis. Then the value of the sine of that angle will be always 0. Clear? So it is a multiple of pi. So this implies what? It is 0 into pi, it is 1 into pi, it is 2 into pi, then 3 into pi, 4 into pi, means half circle, half circle. So it is n into pi. What is n? N is an integer. We define capital Z by integer, or some writes I also integer. Now what will happen? Cos theta equal to 0 implies theta equal to what? Here see. Cos theta, value of cos theta is 0 here. Cos theta 0 here. Cos theta 0 here from this chart. Let us write this. Cos theta 0 here, cos theta 0 here. This 0 means what? Pi by 2. Here 1 into pi by 2. Here 3 into pi by 2 means 1, 3. Then it will become 5. Then means what? On y axis 1 pi by 2, 3 pi by 2. Then again it should reach to y axis 5 pi by 2, 7 pi by 2 means what? 1, 3, 5, 7. These are what? Odd multiples of pi by 2. No? Odd multiple. 1, 3, 5, 7 like this. These are odd numbers. So any odd number we generally express as what? Twice n plus 1 or twice n minus 1. Clear? Understood? So let us write it like this. Twice n plus 1 into pi by 2. What is n? N is an integer. Likewise, we can find out the values of tan theta equal to 0 also, cos theta. So dear students, for today up to this, in my next class we will continue with the same topic with some more examples. We will do some problems also. Thank you.